Well, hello there and welcome back to Woodworker Express. Today I'm going to be showing you how to adjust your compact hidden hinges. Okay, so let's get started. This is a really easy project. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver and a hand. Now, if your hinges look like these, you have compact hidden hinges. Now, the adjustment is really simple on these. You're going to have one screw in the front, one in the back, and one in the middle. Now for reference, we're going to call this front screw the front screw, and we're going to call this rear screw the rear screw, because when you're looking in your cabinet, the rear screw is going to be the one that's the furthest away from you. So what better way to show you what that front adjustment screw does by having two door samples. So now these would be our little mini doors. As you see, I'm inside the cabinet. So now when we adjust that front screw, it's going to bring this door this way and this way. And the same with this. If we adjust that front screw, it's going to bring it that way and this way. So now that rear screw, it's going to adjust your side profile of your door overhang. So let's turn our cabinet sideways, as you see right there. So now when I use that rear adjustment screw, it's going to bring my door away from the cabinet and towards the cabinet to get really nice clean lines on the side of the cabinet. So now our last adjustment is the screw hole in the middle. Be careful, do not unscrew it all the way, because that is a screw that is actually holding your door to your cabinet. You only want to just break it loose, and then when you do that, you want to break both of them. Or however many hinges you have, maybe you have 3 hinges, you're going to want to break all 3 of those loose, and then you're going to have the full adjustability of going up and down to get the cabinet door just right. Hold it in place of where you want it, and then tighten them up, and you're ready to rock and roll. Well, now that was super quick and super easy. So now with all 3 of those adjustments, you can move that door wherever you want and get everything perfectly in alignment. And now be sure to let us know down below if you have any questions or comments. We'd be more than happy to help you out. We'll see you next time. Want to learn more? Click on one of these 2 videos. And don't forget to subscribe.